BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Rama Mohan Rao Amara, MD of State Bank of India's International Banking and Global Markets, stated that there is room for an additional 25 basis point repo rate cut by the RBI later this year. In an interview with Economic Times, he called India's surplus liquidity a pleasant problem, indicating that while deposit mobilization remains challenging due to lower yields, the current environment allows for measured rate easing. Amara cautioned that the RBI is likely to wait for further macroeconomic data, especially on inflation, growth, and global events, before taking the next step. He highlighted risks including imported inflation, digital fraud, and geopolitical uncertainty. Despite these concerns, he reaffirmed that SBI, which manages a 66 lakh rupees crore balance sheet, would benefit from a lower repo rate via improved lending conditions. Economists agree that since the RBI has already delivered a 50 bps rate cut in June, a smaller follow-up cut is feasible if inflation remains under control, retail CPI near 3%, and growth indicators remain stable. However, factoring in global recession fears and mounting fiscal deficits, central bank readiness to ease further will be data-driven. Lower repo rates could ease borrowing costs for corporates and retail loans, spurring economic activity. Yet the downside remains that depositors may shift to riskier assets seeking yield, adding pressure on banking margins. Amara emphasized that banks can manage this surplus liquidity by utilizing sophisticated funds management and treasury tools. Overall, his comments signal cautious optimism. RBI may have room for a measured cut, but it requires ongoing data validation and careful monitoring of liquidity dynamics. Source: Economic Times. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such update.